We are here with Solera Audatex Canada. We're here with Michel Caron. Michel, how are you today?
Outstanding, thank you.
Fantastic. We are the first interview of the day. So, Michel, tell me, what does Solera Audatex offer the collision repair industry? What does your vertical offer the industry, and what the shops? How do you help them?
Well, at the end of the day, we're offering a solution that's addressing the shortage in labor, right? Ours is the only vehicle-specific option-driven database where you're going to get paid the proper dollars for the proper repairs on that specific car. With all the advanced technology that's out there today, you got to make sure that you have the proper options on the car so you're getting paid the proper dollars on the back end. And then the latest addition to our Qapter estimating, which is the upgraded Audatex estimating, our new Qapter estimating now has the ability for intelligent estimating, which is basically transforming a photo into a preliminary estimate. We're not necessarily there to replace an appraiser. They are still the professionals, but it will speed up times drastically, and it addresses the shortage in the industry.
Absolutely. We were talking a lot at the MSO symposium yesterday about AI and just how the process, exactly like you're saying, it's not there to replace an appraiser. It's there to, ease the process and make things easier. And it's an adjustable solution. You don't have to follow AI exactly verbatim. You can, it just makes the process easier. So it's a very interesting topic. You'd agree with that statement?
Oh, absolutely. And the unique thing that we have, remember, AI for us, or intelligent estimating, is a global platform solution for us. So while it may be new to North America, we've had this out for numerous years. And when we have the billions of photos that are being analyzed and getting feedback from hundreds of thousands of customers globally, it speeds the adoption rate, and it also the maturity of the application, because it's constantly evolving. And from what I saw 3 years ago to where I see it today, it's a total different product right now, and we're very happy with the progress.
Absolutely. And I know that the industry is absolutely happy with it too. And I mean, when you're saying a global platform, there's so much feedback going into that loop, and you're hearing a lot of different shop opinions and experiences with the platform. So surely that comes into play whenever you're adjusting things and kind of figuring out how to make it work best for the industry. So, and I know Solera Audatex always listens to their customers. So. All right, so we're here at SEMA. It's the first day, bright and early in the morning. So tell me, how's your history with SEMA, Solera Audatex Canada? How long have you guys been here? What's the history?
Well, as you know, Solera has many verticals, right? But at the beginning, it used to be NACE, right? NACE was the the show of the year where the collision repair industry congregated. Since then, it's sort of shifted over to the NACE side. SEMA. And SEMA now has a collision section, right? So at the early onset, we were here. Because of the verticals we have, we also offer solutions for mechanical shops and the like as well. So we have we've always been part of SEMA. It was just different verticals, but now obviously Audatex is now, this is the new home for the future at SEMA.
Awesome. Love it. And if you're here in the collision repair and refinish hall, the excitement is palpable. You can feel there's a lot of people around, and it's only like 10:30 in the morning. So we are awesome over here right now. So tell me, is there anything exciting happening at SEMA? What are you guys here to showcase? I know we have Qapter. There are a lot of new things happening with Qapter, and like we just said, intelligent estimating. So tell me about it.
Yeah, so you know what, the intelligent estimating is the main aspect that we're trying to position with a lot of our prospects and or clients, right? So we do have a promo that's on that's has been linked back to our LinkedIn. So we're offering a promo on the VI right now. So if you want to check in our Solera LinkedIn,
we'll link it in
feed.
the bio below.
Outstanding. So yeah, we have a promotion going for that, and we've already had people signing up, and we're only an hour and a half into the show. It goes till Friday, but exciting so far.
Awesome. Love to see it. Love to see it. So we won't take up too much of your time here, but tell me, how do you feel to be back on the show floor? I know you guys were here last year at SEMA, but how is it different this year, post-pandemic? I don't want to be like the new normal, but
Well, I didn't personally attend last year, but I heard it was very, very slow. This year actually feels like it's back to normal, or the new norm. I heard there was, in the tune of 130,000 people registered. So, you know what? Hopefully that means a lot of activity around the booth. And, there's a lot of activities. We got AIA Canada Night going on tonight. So, the Canadians love to have a good time. So I believe there's at least 2,500, I hear, people registered for tonight, so looking forward to it. Then there's a lot of suppliers out there having their various events that fortunately I've got tickets for the odd one here and there, so we'll have fun.
Absolutely. Okay, so last question. We talked about the labor shortage a little bit. There's a lot of challenges facing the collision repair industry, every vertical of automotive right now. So tell me, how is Solera, Audatex Canada, or just the entire company as a global solution, really targeting, all of the issues that are happening in the industry right now, or not issues, we don't want to call them issues, challenges, hurdles. We always make it through these, but tell me about the labor shortage particularly. How are you guys helping out with that, or spreading information? I know that AI is a very interesting topic to a lot of young people in the industry, so it's really important to push the technology. Tell us about it.
Yeah, you know what? Technology has to be the foundation of any organization. You can't just start from scratch anymore. So, we feel that today's AI that we've brought to the table through intelligent estimating will address a little bit of the shortages. It can shift also the workflow that you have currently within each respective organization. We have shops today that historically would only have an appraiser go out and start the preliminary estimate, where today they've shifted that because of the technology. Now they can have their CSRs go out, take the photos, start the preliminary estimate. So now the appraiser is really doing a gut check of what was produced originally, and it's not putting the strains on the limited estimators that are within each shop. So it just shifts the work and allows them to focus on the higher hits rather than the smaller ones.
Absolutely. Yeah, and we all know balancing your work intake, small hits, big hits, and making the process easier. That's ultimately the goal here all the time with the collision repair industry. Well, we had a great chat here today, just a quick chat. I hope the show goes really well for the rest of the week. Like I said, we're only an hour and a half in, and things are already fantastic. So thank you so much, Michel. Really appreciate it. We'll check back in with you later.
Awesome. Thank you.